Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Arsenal now they lead the summer transfer spending of 2022 with £121.5 million. And I thought Tottenham be the second before Man City and all the rest. And waiting make Akonde amazed by these statistics now. But those who they talk say Arsenal know they spend money. The previous transfer summer, no forgetting that Arsenal self now lead the race at the end of the day. Arsenal spent highest about whether £140 million, about £150 million. This time around self, now we don't lead the race and we've bought 5 players already. And what does this go to show? This shows that the Kroenkes are now backing Mikel Arteta to buy players that will be suitable for his project. And one thing where this thing will also mean be say, at the end of the day, if Arteta no deliver Champions League, because Champions League now we know say we define for this season, we know they find to finish 5th, we know they find to go Europa League. If he doesn't deliver, I'm sorry to say, they fit tell and say make him fine in square root, because many Arsenal legends have they talk and say this season I go make or mar Arteta. If he no do well, himself no say they go tell and make him fine in square root, because they know they sack players. All these players who him buy, they go still dey. But him as the manager, then he go dey evident say he no fit manage players. Then they'll come look for a bigger name coach we go come take us to the promised land. So anyhow way they go, this season is one of the most critical seasons in our history. It is very important. We don't finish 5th. We now want to progress forward. We want to finish 4th, 3rd, 2nd. That's our goal now. We are not looking to finish 5th. We don't finish for the same place we did. We'll finish below. So anyhow way this season they go, make all of us just the watch out. Away from that, so Arsenal announced Zinchenko as an Arsenal player. Don't they official? They don't unveil him for our website. So now we don't let everybody know. Say we don't sign this guy from Man City to Arsenal. The guy can't talk many of his history. The interview Zinchenko is say him be Arsenal fan from a very long time when he be small boy, and say they follow those guys as Fabregas, Henry. They watch the way that they play. So it was very amazing. Say sure, almost all the players, many players. Now Henry be their idol, like they look up to Henry, the way they play, the way they rule over us. Now if you say defenders they fear him, like he was a menace to them. So now Baba self come and talk say in bad the way Henry plays, say himself pray to replicate in footsteps and become a legend in Arsenal. So he can't wait to start playing for the team. And I just like as everything they go, at least we don't get competition for Saka. So anyhow we Saka they do now, Saka wouldn't say even do anyhow somebody they will keep our Benjamin. But I'm they watch now. Again, look at the Mars yourself. Don't come outside and let us know. Say Nuno Tavares, they very close to joining Atlanta on loan. But when I just get this deal, the thing gonna surprise me somehow, because I was expecting the guy to join Brighton on loan. Because I don't say Brighton itself, they pursue. I'm saying in case they lose Cucurella to Man City, then they go come for Tavares on loan. You get. But now, can look at the match. Let us know say that Atlanta deal. So after they give them the guy on loan with no option to buy and no obligation to buy at all. Just go there, get your 1-year experience, come back to Arsenal. Or you go to Brighton, get your 1-year experience, you come back to Arsenal. So I never know where it will go. But if you ask my own personal opinion, I go say make him go Brighton. Why? Brighton is in the EPL. Brighton plays tiki-taka football. They are a very good side. They play ball on the ground. So if he goes there, it will improve Tavares immensely against when he goes Syria. The style of play of Syria is different from EPL. So I go prefer Mendy for this EPL. Even Freddie Paxton, maybe one of our transfer gurus, don't come outside and let us know say Saliba don't hold talks with Arsenal hierarchy before the USA tour. And for those talks, Saliba don't agree Arsenal new contract. In principle, he has agreed to sign a new contract extension. So anytime soon, they will bring the contract and paper for making sign officially. But for those with the fear, say like me, say Saliba no go sign contract, he's looking out for Marcel, trying to protect their interests because they made him who he is now. You know, all those things don't go to the back burner. It gets. Now he's going to sign a contract extension. If he signs, I'll be very happy. So that even if we have to sell him in the future, it will protect in value. That's the goal. So anyhow it be, more just the watch. At the same time, Gianluca Skamaka they on in way to join West Ham after West Ham don't agree a deal with Sassuolo, a deal of 40 million euros. This deal came to me as a shock because I was expecting Arsenal to go for him and use him as a backup striker. But at the same time, the guy said he don't like to be backup striker because if you want to spearhead West Ham attack, but how can you spearhead West Ham attack when they have a Miguel Antonio there who is playing as the 9? I be say they go come out with Miguel Antonio Salam. I don't know all this permutation. I just don't understand. Or maybe Arteta self get in own plan because sometimes now we they push our own players with our own personal interests, with our fantasy, our dream team. So okay, this kind of player will make sense, it will make sense, it will make sense. Whereas Arteta, Edu Gaspar, and Richard Garlic, they do one corner, they analyze, they say this guy no go make sense for our setup. It's not good in this way. These are his weaknesses, these are his strengths. It will not be good. Why not let's go for this person? It waits. Now they know their own plan, but we now we just watch. And why they cut Arteta some slack? We say why not go impose my own opinion on and we say at the end of the day, if you do anyhow, I ain't go see anyhow. Now they go sack me. I go still there. They analyze. Even new coach come, go see they analyze with new coach. Somebody will watch everything about they do. Yeah. Arsenal offer Bukayo Saka a new long-term contract which will make him one of the highest paid players in Arsenal. Currently, Saka they earn £70,000 per week. So now they want double the thing. So I see that kind of £200,000 per week. Now with many pundits, they talk say Arsenal won't offer the guy. And there are positive indicators where they show say the guy will really sign a contract extension for Arsenal because you don't see say the club they bring in super recruitments will be serial winners. We know what it takes to win and we want to go to the promised land so that all the burden waiting for a shoulder it will reduce. Go be like last season when we say they just depend on only if you look line up like this Saka no dey you go dey fear. Now if you look line up Saka no dey you no go too shake you because you know say some other people dey go still run things you get. So that is what it is. So we just watch like Saliba. We are expecting Saka also to sign a new contract. Saka has 2 years left of his contract, so we need to give him more extension because all those Man City and Liverpool they take one eye, they scamp the guy, they watch, they monitor everything, but they watch as things they push out. One of Arsenal legendary supporter, where they call Maria Petri, don't die. She don't go beyond, go meet Baba God. So we say may God take her soul and may her soul rest in perfect peace. You get. So she dey always go home away she dey follow the team as in she love Arsenal die. So that's why everybody gonna cry say yeah we'll miss him. Well, may God take her soul in Jesus' name and inshallah. Gabriel Martinelli don't get new shirt number. Baba go wear number 11 for this season. I think he used to wear number 35. But now I new 11. And that 11 now one of our iconic players, Mark Overmars. Now wear that number. So we expect the spirit of Overmars. We enter your body, make it start to the downs, to the bustness because we know this Martinelli did very good. But what is lacking in this game is goals. He needs to be scoring the goals. At least 10 goals. If you know, I know much now. Just 10 goals in the season. Just score them. Chip in your best to get. That's what we are expecting from you as a winger. Move. Boom. At least learn from your compadre, Gabriel Jesus. Maybe they teach you how to dribble, cutting. Wipe on. That's what we are expecting. Even Calcio Mercato self don't come outside and let us know say Arsenal may offer Torreira and cash to Juventus to collect Otomelo because they need Otomelo in their ranks. Now the question is Otomelo better than Youri Tielemans? Is Otomelo going to be a cheaper alternative than Youri Tielemans? Are you going to be signing an Otomelo and Youri Tielemans at the same time? What is the goal? That's what many people they ask. All these questions, I don't have an answer to it. But just the watch how they go. Transfer still far, you get. And Megateta don't talk. Say the first thing they go do now to show up the team. Those will not go play much for this season. Let them know. Those will get small years for their contract. Extend them before they'll come add 1 or 2 again. Then transfer will start. Banger. We'll see what he will do. Arsenal don't turn down the opportunity to sign Thomas Lemar from Atletico Madrid. Don't say Thomas Lemar agents offer him to Arsenal and West Ham. Say, how far I can collect this guy? This guy won't leave. The guy that Wenger, the guy did very good. Arsenal don't scamp and say, we don't need you. During Arsene Wenger days, we go for this guy, take us to the Shakara. I don't want to go. Nah, then they offer you to us on a platter of gold. Well, we don't need you, bro. You can go. We don't need that at the moment. Away from that, so Gabriel Jesus come and second the talk say almost since when you don't Man City, say for the last 1-2 years, you don't plan to come on. Say It's like a privilege for him to join Arsenal again, because for Arsenal he don't get everything we want. Because for this Arsenal, he's senior most people like 2 years. You get, so people they look up to like a role model, because the way the guy he don't win many things. Say after that Orlando City match, will play, will win. Say Mama call him, say Gibre, almost say you don't change you. So what's this up now? So you're playing with a smile on your face now. Like Mama see him, say in they play with purpose, like in they enjoying football now. In the play, people will say compadre day here now. They enjoying football. Everybody look up to him. He was received very well at the club. Like it's in the Boston brain, it's in they make him emotional. Like he's very happy. Say in choose Arsenal where then they rate him. Unlike Man City, they say Aguero. That time when come Aguero, they bust everywhere. He no get choice. Like go there for Benjamin. He got the killing morale, but here when the guy don't come and swinging. This season, you see this season, the guy get a lot of proof to let people know say I am still as good as Ronaldo, because even Ronaldo de Lima once upon a time not come outside and say this Gabriel Jesus, this guy will surpass me, this guy is a senior man. Ronaldo give him one kind of mad 5-star review, but gone because of Aguero and Conde Benjamin, so he won't realize him potential again. I never reach him peak. The guy in 25, at least that kind of 27, 28, he will be 30. I'm just discuss everything they go share. So if you know what yesterday, you should check the top left corner of the screen. You go see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy your day. Now game out.